In this video, we are going to fix getting an error when reloading in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to set the Microsoft Store install service into automatic. How we can do that? Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Type for services.msc and click on the OK button to proceed. After you have opened the services, sorry, please type for M so that you can find the Microsoft Store install service. Make a right click, click on Properties, set the startup type into Automatic, start the service, click on Apply, click on OK, navigate to the left pane, click on Restart the service. Wait until you would be able to successfully reset the Microsoft Store install service. Close the window and restart the PC, and try to check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then let's move on to the next step, and that is to troubleshoot Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the settings, I want you to proceed to the left side where you can see a search bar. Please type for Windows Store apps. Then once you have find this, find and fix problems with Windows Store apps, click on it, and please click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. So wait until this would be done, okay? And once you have troubleshoot the problem, try to check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.